We talk a lot about Bitcoin mining at Crypto Weekly. Have you ever wondered how those Bitcoins are actually mined? This week, we bring you behind the scenes here at the Phoenix mining site in Abu Dhabi, the largest in the Middle East, to show you how Bitcoins are mined behind the scenes. Hope you're ready. Here we go. The Bitcoin white paper was published on Halloween Day on October 31st, 2008, and the first Bitcoin was mined in January 2009. Every 10 minutes, new Bitcoins are mined, an upper limit of 21 million Bitcoin. It started with 50 Bitcoin the first 4 years, and now we are at 3.3 Bitcoin created every 10 minutes. In the early days of the Bitcoin ecosystem, anyone with a laptop or basic GPU, CPU could mine Bitcoin. But things have changed a lot since then. I'm here with Munaf Ali, the CEO of Phoenix Group. Munaf, welcome on Crypto Weekly. And can you tell us, where are we now? Where is this venue?
Thank you. Good morning, Henry, and welcome to Abu Dhabi. We are in the center of Abu Dhabi. We are in the Middle East's largest Bitcoin mining farm.
You know, when we talk to a lot of people and we talk about Bitcoin mining, often we see that it's next to hydro dams or nuclear facilities. When it comes to the Middle East, naturally, many people would think, it's too hot to have Bitcoin mining. Tell us, how do you guys deal with the reality of having Bitcoin mining operations here in Abu Dhabi?
Well, we have built sites all over the world. We have worked in hot climates and cold climates. And when it came to Abu Dhabi, we were able to secure a very large amount of electricity at a very good price. And with our partners, we secured this location, which is 11 football fields.
11 football.
11 football fields.
And what are the particular challenges of mining Bitcoin, let's say in a hot climate, compared to colder places like North America, for example?
Well, the biggest challenge is getting a stable supply of electricity. So once you have secured this, it's about designing a data center, a facility that can either withstand the heat or withstand the cold temperatures.
How do you see the future of Bitcoin mining evolve over the next couple of years, not only in the Middle East, but also globally?
Well, Bitcoin mining is just one form of data processing. When we're mining Bitcoins, we are just validating and processing transactions on the Bitcoin network. And for this, we get rewarded in new Bitcoins that haven't been mined. So out of the 21 million Bitcoins, the outstanding Bitcoins go to people like us who are mining Bitcoins. But we actually designed, built and operated this site. So what we have is something that we built in 6 months.
Compared to the early days when you guys got into Bitcoin mining to now, how have you seen things change over the last couple of years?
Well, there has been a huge grab for power. Everybody wants to have access to electricity because data processing and data is a new commodity. So whether it's for Bitcoin mining, whether it's for AI, whether it's for Web3 or DeFi, everybody needs electricity. So now everybody around the world is looking for power and building data centers.
Can you share also maybe with us the story of Phoenix? How it started, and obviously now Phoenix is a listed company here in Abu Dhabi, but can you tell us more about the story of the company to where it was to what we're seeing today here?
Absolutely. So Phoenix was founded by myself and my co-founder in 2017 with very humble beginnings in an industrial park in the UAE. So from a location where we had literally less than 1 megawatts, we decided to expand and we looked at other jurisdictions. So we went all the way to Canada, America, Europe, but we did a 360 and we came back to the UAE because this is where everything started for us. I've been here for 20 years. The government gave us an opportunity to build a facility here in the UAE, and that's what we did. We worked with them, we secured a site, we got the electricity, and before you know it, we are now operating one of the largest sites in the world.
That's very interesting. And what is next for Phoenix? When you look, obviously there's a lot of mining operations taking place here. How do you see the next couple of years when it comes to Phoenix?
So our footprint has grown all over the world. So we have sites in the UAE, in GCC, in Ethiopia, in Canada, America, and we believe that with our global footprint and our presence here in the Middle East, we need to expand our horizons. So we're always looking at new locations.
So Munaf, we'll talk about a bit of the minings and these containers that I'm seeing here behind. Can you tell us more why we have these containers and if this is common or what you guys have built here is very unique when it comes to architecture of Bitcoin mining?
It's the first of its kind. When we ordered this equipment from the manufacturer, nobody had this equipment. It was one of the largest crypto purchases in the world. It was for $649.8 million US dollars. And we basically purchased the entire production line from the manufacturer. And we were the very first company in the world to have these containers with the liquid cooled machines that we have inside.
So can you tell me how does that liquid cooling mechanism work? How is it able to cool the heat and the noise also made by these machines?
Each one of these containers has a number of servers and they're water cooled with an evaporative pump and chiller which runs water inside in a closed loop system to cool the computers down.
And is that enough to actually cool down these machines, especially the heat of the summer in Abu Dhabi?
It is. I mean, what you see may look like containers outside, but it's designed very scientifically to allow the air to also cool the containers down.
Bitcoin mining takes place at Bitcoin mining venues like these. It's very loud because there's really two main components that are involved in Bitcoin mining. First is the cost of electricity. You need a lot of electricity to basically power those machines. Second, you need data centers and venues like these to host these machines. And third, you need people, you need infrastructure and the security set up around to ensure these machines stay safe. I'm back here with Munaf Ali, the CEO of Phoenix. Munaf, thanks for the tour. It was actually very interesting to see all the different how Bitcoin mining takes place here. Can you share with our audience what kind of activities taking place here at this Bitcoin mining site by Phoenix?
Sure. So, as you know, Henry, this is the first of its type facility in the entire Middle East. We occupy 80,000 square meters. We have 45,600 servers, and it occupies a space of 11 football pitches.
The big question, Munaf, is about the world of artificial intelligence. AI is all the pop right now. To what extent do you see the interaction between crypto and AI, especially when it comes to same resources that are being used for mining?
Well, both of them require electricity. So that's why we're seeing a global grab for power. Both processes, whether it's AI or Bitcoin mining, involves processing of data. So it's all about how these sites are designed. So depending on what the future holds, our sites are very interchangeable. So right now we're focused on Bitcoin mining, but that doesn't mean we can't step into the foray of AI and the digital world.
And when it comes to, obviously we're in Abu Dhabi here today, and this is the biggest Bitcoin mining site in the Middle East, how to see the efforts from the UAE government towards not only the crypto ecosystem, but Bitcoin mining, and what do you think is a positive impact of all that?
Well, the UAE government is so progressive and they very much want to be in the forefront of a digital economy. So they have been very helpful, from helping us with legislation, helping us with the power, helping us expand. We were the first crypto mining company to be listed on the Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange in 2013.
Thank you very much. Thanks for coming out of Crypto Weekly this week.
Thank you, Henry.